Hi, so let's see how you can create a rubric. What is a rubric? So rubric is kind of a table or a guide which will help you in scoring and evaluating the performances of the students or any event. So as you might have already seen, if you are very clear that you want 5-point rubric, 4-point rubric, 10-point rubric, so this is how you have to prompt. We are not saying act as an experienced teacher and all, because when as a teacher you are interacting with the AI, it has already fitted in the machine already understood that how the output needs to be produced. So the prompt here is, so create a 5-point rubric. If you want, you can write 4-point rubric. Of which grade? What is the topic? So you want to create a rubric to evaluate this essay on a climate change. Okay, make the descriptors clear enough for 14-year-old to understand. You can also provide this rubric to students so that they can understand how to submit the assignment in order to get more marks, which is later linked to their understanding and growth. You can also refine the rubric whenever needed. Let's try this rubric. So let's go to the new chat and I paste it here. You create a 5-point rubric for this and let's see. So this is the table we got: essay structure, introduction and thesis, supporting arguments, conclusion, grammar कैसा था, language कैसा था. So these were the criteria and you have to score 5 marks, 4 marks, 3 marks, 2 marks or 1 marks based on how the essay was. So if essay has been basic structure but some parts are unclear or out of order, give 3 marks. So this is how AI will help you in rubric generation. But suppose you have your fixed criteria. So you can mention that create a 5-point rubric with focusing on these criteria. Suppose you are creating a rubric for poetry. Then you can write create a rubric based on these criterias: fluency, originality, intonation, effectiveness, audience engagement. So criteria you can decide and then it will help you in giving the descriptions, and then you can accept if you found it's going well. So I'm providing you this template which you can use to create your rubric. So if we can see in this, act as a teacher, create a rubric on this assignment, this topic, and have these 4 criterias. If you don't have, if you have, you can name it. If you don't have, you can just type 4 criterias. We want 4 performance levels in a format, table format, and descriptions. Let's see, we want topic. What is the task? Let's see, the assignment is presentation for grade 10. On which topic? Let's say the topic is impact of social media on mental health, whatever the, and we want 4 criteria. I don't have any fixed criteria. Let's see. So now you have a rubric which will help you in evaluation part. So presentation is mostly organized. So these are the 4 criteria it has found and the descriptions. And if you also want to have a scoring, you can type I want scoring criteria, scoring as well out of 10. So it's you have to know what exactly you want. So now you have the scoring parameters as well. So here ends our this module. We'll see you in the next video where we will start a new module for classroom activities and project design. Thank you.